Wow, what a stunning pixie undercut style. Oh, she looks absolutely amazing. Such a cool girl haircut idea. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more short haircut makeover ideas. So here we have someone already with the short hair, and she decided to spice things up with this platinum hair color. Now this is by far one of my favorite trends that we are seeing in 2023, the look of platinum. Such a gorgeous haircut. Now if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So moving into transformation number 3, this one is going to feature a surprise makeover for his sister. Alright, so for the surprise, he ended up putting these beautiful green roots in. I love this mixed with the blonde towards the ends. Such a cute style idea. And definitely not playing it safe by any means. So next up, we have another hair trimming makeover. So she's getting a nice little cut refresh for this one. Beautiful tapered design going there towards the back. Oh, wow. And she ended up going platinum as well. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. Very pretty. Next up, we have the slicked back bob makeover. Now, the slicked back bob has been trending very heavily recently, or the slicked back longer pixie style. This is a great way to kind of shake up your hair if you want to do something different with it. If you have a formal event coming up, this would be a great style to try out. Next up, we have another haircut transformation. Whoa, another stunning pixie makeover. I love the amount of fullness that this pixie has. Beautiful shape and texture throughout. Very nice. And then we have another cut refresh with the next transformation. Stylist also mixes in some color. Wow, beautiful bob style. I really like that chestnut hair color as well. Her bob is so volumized and full. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.